was in the city.
What's up, guys? My name is Exuberant Tuber, and I'm here with my cousin Ty. And we're here, and we're gonna we have some guns that he's gonna show. You want to do that, Ty?
Yeah.
Go.
All right.
No, just leave it there.
So this is like my little machine gun.
It's called Uzi. It's an Uzi, plastic. It really doesn't do anything. Yeah.
Yeah, it used to do something, but it broke. All right.
Next gun.
All right. All right. This is my pistol. Revolver.
Mhm.
That I can do this with.
Now you can twist around your finger like this. Ready? It can open like this. You can snap it back. You can shoot it, and then you can spin it around on your finger. And spin it. Shoot. Yeah. Next gun.
All right. This is my this gun.
It is called a JRM60. If you can see that. It's gonna be backwards for you guys because I have it as the face camera. So yeah, okay. Next gun. Let's see the next gun.
Alright. This is the last one.
Actually, it's not the last one.
What one is it? Oh my god.
Yeah. And
Alright.
that is, let's show you. So you go like this, you pull this whole thing back. It's like a little thing right here. Watch out, Ty. It's right here. See it? It's right here. And then you just pull the trigger.
Yeah, and then it's like.
And it goes.
Alright, I'm gonna cut. Oh, no, I don't need the cargo. That sounds. Get out of our YouTube video, Mom. Sorry, guys, my mom didn't hear. Get out of our YouTube video. Sorry, my mom.
And then we have the fart gun. You go like
Alright.
this, and then you just squeeze the trigger. Show them.
Alright, I have like tons of more.
Then
And then I have this gun.
oh, think just swing around and hit you in the face. Okay. And then what other gun do you have? Go find another one. Then I'm pretty sure that's it mostly. Hey, Max.
Get out of our YouTube video, dog. Sorry, guys, our dog's here. So, peace out.
We're out.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next video.